greetings to my digital class. So this is our weekly overview for this week coming up the 15th through the 19th of February. And so when we think about how our unit is coming on on environmental issues, with our first one being climate change, we've really progressed this way. So how do carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases really work to trap heat in the first place? And so we fully investigated that. Then just last week, it was like, honestly, who cares, right? Like, little warmer, is that so bad? And we found, yes, that the consequences of global warming aren't something in the future, that there's something right now. So this week is all about starting into the inquiry of what can we do about it. And so Monday's assignment, you're going to be making a global warming public service announcement poster, and there'll be a video of me explaining what to do with that. And the reason for this is to communicate to others that this really is our most important unit of the year, and this is a major global concern. Now, Tuesday is this activity called a resource use activity. You're going to see a special class of my students going through this activity. And then from the rest of the week on, we're going to get into our energy resource choices, and that will extend into next week. Because when I say, well, what are we supposed to do about it? Really, solving global warming demands that we investigate the energy resource choices that we're making. So the fossil fuel notes are really quick on Wednesday. You also have this generating electricity inquiry. Maybe you've never even wondered, how is our electricity created? And you'll discover that on Wednesday. And then this is a 2-day assignment, an energy resources inquiry. Remember, to inquire means to wonder and discover. So you're going to be placed in a position where you're wondering about a lot of different energy resources and then discovering the pros and cons of those energy resources. Now, the only homework thing I can think of this week is your National Park Spotlight. So Kaya and Chloe are done and they can ignore that, but everyone else either has one coming very, very soon, or it might be in the future, but this is a pretty light week in terms of you don't have a big project or test to be studying for. So it would be a good time for your National Park Spotlight. Speaking of, if you ever want to Zoom with me, the landscape explanations sometimes are kind of challenging, and I can go through and help you to word that slide. So just send me an email and we can set up a Zoom. I hope you have a good week. Take care.